What's up, YouTube? Bowman suit here. Come back with an 09 Gridiron gear box break. We'll do a little zigzag on top. Hopefully, give us some good luck. Looking for 18 packs. At least 3 autograph or memorabilia cards per box. Here we go. Pack 1. Good luck, everybody. Rookie card of Dominic Edison for the Titans, number to 999. I'm just going to quick show those. Actually, I forgot to record the last one. I'll record this one. Nice looking card. Too bad it's not an insert or a hit. Numbered 40 of 100. Adrian Peterson playbook insert. Numbered 40 of 100 for the Vikings. Nice looking card. I got a jersey football autograph for the Chiefs, numbered 5 of 10. Tyson Jackson, numbered 5 of 10. 5 of 10. Tyson Jackson for the Chiefs. Yeah. 5 of 10 though, not definitely not the greatest player, but not a bad hit. Rookie card of Brian Hartline for the Dolphins, number to 999. Oh, that's pretty sick. Another autograph, really nice looking, number 32 of 45 for the Seahawks. Looks like a, I don't know what the hell these are called, a stadium autograph. Deon Butler. It's actually really sick. You can see it's like die cut out. They got the stadium in there. It's actually really nice. Yeah, numbered 40. 32 of 40. It's actually a sick ass card. Yeah, no, 32 of 45, sorry. 32 of 45. Nice looking card. I didn't realize those looked that nice up close. I've seen them on eBay and shit, but got an X's rookie of Brandon Tate for the Patriots, numbered 64 of 250. 64 of 250, Brandon Tate. That was Deon Butler. Not third, which Deon Butler I actually like, wide receiver. I actually like Deon Butler a lot. I think he's going to be really good. Got a Rivals insert of Peyton Manning and Tom Brady, number 94 of 100 for the Colts and Pats. Nice looking card. Number to 100. Decoy. Decoy insert, player timeline not numbered of Kyle Orton, Broncos Bears, just a regular base, kind of like a base card, but that's not numbered or nothing. X's rookie for the Broncos of Tom Brandstatter, number to 250. Tom Brandstatter rookie card. Still looking for at least one more hit. See another auto or a nice looking patch or something. We haven't pulled any patches yet out of all these boxes. What kind of shit is that? I usually pull a ton of patches. Number 12 of 100 rookie card of the Saints of PJ Hill. 12 of 100. Chris Beanie Wells Performers rookie card. Number 205 of 250 for the Cardinals. Rookie card, Hunter Cantwell for the Panthers, number to 999. That scared the shit out of me, a big truck outside. last hit, not bad. But other than that, we got a rookie card, Gartrell Johnson, number to 999 for the Chargers. Then the last hit, hopefully we get another one, but for the Colts, number 196 at 250, a dual jersey of Peyton Manning. Peyton Manning looks like an O, but it's kind of like a two. Well, it's all one piece, but it's separated too. Peyton Manning, pretty nice looking card. That wasn't a bad box. Still got 4 packs left, so you never know. Got the case hit of Dan Butler. That was actually really nice. Tyson Jackson could have been a better player. Oh, got another hit. See, look at that. Another hit for the Giants. Numbered 68 of 100. Jersey football rookie of Rhett Bomar. Rhett Bomar. It's only supposed to be 3 hits, but I'll take 4. Yeah, this is 09. Might be a hot box. Let's see some more. Oh, yeah, there is another hit in here. Ooh, sick. That's nice. It is a hot box. Gotta go fast, we're out of time. Looks like patch football for the Vikings rookie card. Number 10 of 50 of Percy Harvin. Percy Harvin, sick, for the Vikings. Patch football, 1-color patch. 2 packs left. Yeah, that's really nice. This is going to be a decoy in here. Leon Washington, number 32 of 250. X's card for the Jets in the last pack. It's going to be another decoy. So 5 hits, not bad. Better than 3. Number 181 of 250. X's card for the Ravens of Willis McGahee. Willis McGahee. So that wasn't bad. Not a bad box. Not a bad box bearing here. Come back with some more. Bowman a Suit out.